I actually don't mind doing the dishes, it gives me time to think. He actually has a lot of hidden talents, you just have to get to know him. I actually prefer the winter to the summer, I love the cold weather. She actually speaks 4 languages fluently, it's amazing. He actually got the job he interviewed for yesterday, we're so proud of him. I actually don't mind taking the bus to work, it gives me time to relax. She actually studied abroad in 3 different countries during college, it must have been an amazing experience. He actually prefers to read books rather than watch TV, it's kind of rare these days. I actually don't mind getting up early, it helps me start my day off on the right foot. She actually started her own business, and it's been really successful. He actually volunteered at a homeless shelter last weekend, it was a really rewarding experience. I actually don't mind going to the dentist, it's not as scary as people make it out to be. She actually used to be a professional dancer before she became a teacher. He actually built his own computer from scratch, it's impressive. I actually don't mind doing laundry, it's kind of therapeutic. Please subscribe.